on, guys? It's a beautiful morning. I'm cold. Not too mad about it. Kind of over the humidity. But this morning we're heading to Adam Malusi with Moving Weight Fishing's boat. It's gonna help him put in a new amp and fix some connections and stuff. He's got a few pumps that aren't working. And he said the pompano are biting, so maybe we'll go fill his whole fish box up with some fish. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Traffic! Almost there. Traffic was terrible. We do have a surprise guest today. Mr. Dugan will be here. Should be a fun day. Oh man, this isn't ideal. Oh. Oh yeah. That's not good. It's gonna be the best connection in this boat. There we go. Now we got one working float. That's what we want. Make the other pumps bad. Being in here gives me hate. Alright, I got his Bilge working. I'm gonna change this amp for Mr. Malus. It was donated from Tony's Marine. My neck might fall off. I don't know what I'm doing. Way extra.
Alright, this is what happens. First pompano trip of the year. And my rods are all tangled and I got quite a bit of dust on these reels down here, but hopefully we're going to be able to dust them off today with Tony and Brandon. We're going to go do some pompano fishing. So we're riding the ditch right now, and Tony's fixing everything on my boat while I have him hostage, and then we're going to do some rigging. See you up there.
Oh hey, he needs some music when he plays. What? Not when he plays, when he fishes or plays. fish on a lift.
Nice 2-pounder. Brandon with a first pompano to start us off here. Not on the jig. There he is.
Nice.
When you put bait out. Does it feel like a Tony's Marine cat?
I don't know, it's feeling very cat.
It's looking very cat. Anyone would do a good Tony double-header catfish.
Oh, 2 of them?
You got dub.
Damn.
Pompanos are biting good.
Dude, it's perfect. Didn't even know he was there.
Tony's getting them in the banana suit. First thing other than the catfish.
It's a good sign.
All right, pompano fishing sucks right now, but I'm not gonna let the boys go home without dinner, so we're gonna keep grinding it out. Nice boat. Hard to tell. Held a pompano?
No.
Okay, you gotta squeeze everywhere. He's gonna worm out your hands right there between both gills. You can squeeze hard.
Not a catfish, guys. Not a catfish.
Tony, is that your first pompano?
Yeah.
Wow,
Look at him.
beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Great job.
Thank you.
You're so gorgeous. This is why you should definitely have Tony Marine fix your boat.
Yeah, because I can actually catch a fish.
Because he just caught a pompano. Swordfish bait. Let's see if Tony can figure out how to get this ladyfish in the boat. Wow.
I did it. I did it. I don't know what to do from here though.
Flavor? For sure.
Is it him? Oh yeah. Sorry, salami.
Son of a gun. Nice, beautiful golden nugget. The elusive pompano. Very hard to come by. Nice one, huh?
He's pulling some salami.
You love salami, bud.
Dude, I love salami. You think it's him?
No, that's him. Yeah, it is. Jack, you were just talking about how you want one. Alright, we're putting up a couple pompanos, just let them out. Tony's got this jack. I'm so suspect on Tony, man.
That's a nice jack. Well, don't they call those the tiger jacks?
Yeah.
Dude, jack the ball on some salami. I'm telling you.
Hello. We need about a dozen more of these.
Pompano down. Banana suit on.
Nope, cat.
Oh.
Cat with current. Psyche. Pompano. I just saw the biggest triple throw I've ever seen in my life by far. Huge, massive, massive. Looked like a full-blown doormat, like a welcome sign doormat. And but we do have a pompano on right now.
Beautiful.
Call for pizza. I'll call my cat. I'll call the White House. Have a chat. I'll raise the call.